Today marks an important evolution for Geoshield, a new chapter in who we are and who we serve. Our brand stands on a clear promise. Geoshield provides professional-grade products, empowering the installer community, rewarding experienced shops, and uplifting enthusiasts on their journey. This reflects what's always driven us, supporting shops that demand top-tier performance while also welcoming the hobbyists and first-timers who help build this community. And with that commitment, we're proud to introduce our brand new Geoshield website. It's modern, streamlined, and designed to give you everything you need faster and more clearly than ever before. You'll find updated product pages, clean navigation, new product videos, and a lot more. Ordering is simpler, guidance is clear, and finding what you need takes seconds. The platform is built to empower you, whether you're running a high-volume shop or just beginning your journey into film installation. I also want to share an important update on our pricing structure. Over the past several years, our industry has seen major impacts from market conditions. Many suppliers have increased prices multiple times. We chose to hold steady for as long as we could to serve our customers. But for the first time since 2019, we will be adjusting our prices by only 7%. This increase ensures we can continue delivering the quality and consistency you count on, while continuing to invest in better tools, better products, and better support for the entire Geoshield community. And the first step in continuing that promise starts right now. To celebrate the launch of our new website, we're kicking off our Black Friday Cyber Monday sale early. Starting today and running all the way through next Monday, you'll receive 30% off every Geoshield product. It's our largest promotion ever, the perfect moment to restock, prepare for year-end demand, and secure the biggest deal we have ever offered. We're grateful for your trust, your partnership, and the work you put in every day. This journey is designed to help our dealers succeed. Explore the new site, take advantage of our Black Friday offers, and look forward to what's in store for Geoshield in 2026 with more products, tools, and support built for your success. To the moon.